Symbiosis is an intimate long-term relationship between two or more organisms of different species. It is from Greek word that means living together.
Mutualism is an interaction between individuals of different species that results in positive or beneficial effects on per capita reproduction and for survival of the interacting population. There are two examples of mutualism. The first one is honeybees and plants. Honeybees visits many different plants species for the nectar from the flower, and the plants will be visited by many other insects as pollinators for pollinations. This is the examples of honeybees. This is the flower that the honeybee took nectar from. Okay. The other mutualism is cows and the bacteria. Cows cannot digest the plant cellulose. So the bacteria present in the rumens of cows help in digesting plant cellulose. In reverse, bacteria get food and warm environment which is required for their growth and development. Okay, this is the cows and the bacteria is inside the cows.
By this video, I will be talking about what is actually a commensalism in biology. There are two types of commensalism, which are commensalism in plants and commensalism in animals. So now I will be explaining about a commensalism in plants. It is actually a type of symbiosis, or specifically a biological relationship between two species. For the real meaning, commensalism in biology is a relationship between individuals of two species in which one species obtains food or other benefits from other without either harming or benefiting the host. They also may obtain nutrients, shelter, support, or locomotion from the host species, which will not unaffected at all. The commensal relation is often between a larger host and a smaller commensal. Epiphytic plants is one of the examples for having a commensalism interaction. Epiphytic plants, which gain an enormous ecological benefit from living on larger plants because they gain access to a substrate upon which to grow relatively high in the canopy. Epiphytes are also known as air plant that grows upon another plant or object merely for physical support. Epiphytes have no attachment to the ground or other obvious nutrient source. That is why they will basically live on the branches of other trees. This allows the epiphytes to get the light and neither helps without harming the host species.
Hi, today I'm going to explain about the commensalism among animals and animals. Commensalism interaction is a type of relationship between two living organisms in which one organism benefits from the other without harming it. A commensal species benefits from another species by obtaining locomotion, shelter, food, or support from the host species, which neither benefits nor is harmed. It means that it will benefit the one another if they are together, but it won't harm it. For the first example, it is the relationship between the ramora fish and the shark. This is the example. This is the shark and this is a Ramora fish. This relationship is an example of the relationship which benefits to Ramora and it's not give any benefits to the shark. It is because the Ramora are able to eat the scraps of prey that have been dropped by the shark. It's like the shark is eat the food and then the food that have been left can be eaten by the Ramora. They also feed off of parasites on the shark's skin and its mouth. So it can eat the parasites from the shark's skin. And besides, it's also protected from predators. It means that the Ramora can be protected from any predators because it have to be with the shark, because we know that shark is big. Another simple example is the goby fish lives on the other sea animals and it's changing colors to blend in with the host. It's gaining protection from predators because of its changing color.
So now we will learn about parasitism. Parasitism is a symbiotic relationship. It have positive and negative. In parasitism have a word parasite. Parasite is an organism that will get benefit, while the host will get harm. However, parasites live on or in their host organism. Moreover, parasitism is different with the predation. It is because parasitism will not kill the host. Today, I will get the sample of pupae of the mosquito in the neural area. This place is the suitable place for the mosquito reproduction. So here, we will get the sample. The sample of pupae will become a mosquito in 2 or 3 days. So here, when after it become a mosquito, this is the example. This is mosquito and this is a human skin. The mosquito get the blood from the human skin. So the mosquito will get the benefit while us as a human will get nothing and bad effect. It is because our blood had the mosquito to develop their age, while us will get many bad effects. It is because the mosquito will bring the bad disease for our health, such as malaria, dengue fever, and yellow fever. That's all about parasitism.
Thanks for